Hi guys, my name is Mary Dominguez here with Romine Group. I'm here in Visalia, California at a property we recently acquired. The family was going through a very difficult time and they lost their grandmother. In that process, the father wasn't able to pay for the mortgage on the property. From there, the property was going through pre-foreclosure. So they were either going to lose their home to the bank or they were just going to lose it to the state of California. After going through the probate process, we were able to transfer the property into the granddaughter's name. From there, they ended up selling the property to us so that way we could relieve them from the stressful situation they were left in.